Recording in progress.
A very good morning to everybody. I'm very much delighted to welcome you all into this wonderful session. And I would take this opportunity to congratulate all the fellow Indians on the success of Olympians in Tokyo Olympics. Okay, we are all elated, and it is wonderful to see that all the kids are over here. The rising generation when becomes bent towards a healthy future, healthy body, and I'm sure the healthy mind will also stay in coming times. We can see that the future of India will be in safer and healthier hands. May I take this privilege to introduce Dr. Kushal Kishore Toshniwal. He's an authority in physiotherapy. He's a health freak, guiding, motivating by his own example in aerobics and yoga. He's master in physiotherapy in musculoskeletal trait and a well-known face in Pusat. He's the member of Indian Academy of Fitness Training, and that is the cream of the cake because he is attached to the most latest trends of the healthy life. Now, he will be going through a cardio exercise and he'll be instructing us some of the basic yoga steps. You can ask your parents also to join. Whatever doubts are there, we shall be taking at the end. You can raise hands and then we will unmute you, or you can share your doubts, queries in the chat box. Dr. Saab, not wasting much time, the
Yes,
screen
sir.
is all yours.
Fine, sir. Okay. Very good morning, everyone. So, according to me, fitness, I divide fitness in three terms: flexibility, strength, and your cardio fitness. There is nothing to do with your weight or any other thing. Just three things: flexibility, cardio, and strength. If you are having these three, you are fit. Fourth, very important, mental health, not to forget. Fine. So we'll start now. First, we'll do some warm up. Just warm up your body and bit of active movement of your arms and legs so that we can hit properly. Just grip and open your fist. Grip it and open your fist. Fine. Next, for your shoulder, complete range of motion, fully stretch and relax. Stretch it and relax. Just make your joints supple and complete range so that there should not be any chances of injury. Sideways. Fine. Now, your ankle. Focus on your ankle. Clockwise first. Anti-clockwise. Fine. Other side. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Fine. Now, hip movement, knee to chest. Go slow. It's just a warm up. Go slow. Make sure that you are achieving your complete range. There is not any compulsion. Just go through the process. And fine. keep a distance between your both legs. For this exercise, it is compulsory to keep a distance between your both legs. With a narrow base of support, don't do this exercise, please. Just a gentle and rhythmic rotation of your pelvis. Same clockwise and anti-clockwise. Make it a bit narrow. Hold your arms, rotate, keep your legs firm. Just rotate your upper trunk. Fine. Okay. Done with your warm-up. So, we divide our session in two parts. First, that is cardio kickboxing. And the second, some yoga postures to improve your growth and the concentration as well. Fine. So now we'll start with our kickboxing session. Fine. Okay. Sir, please play the music for cardio kickboxing. Just follow me and do it as I say. Again, a bit warm up. Just move your legs. Go with the music. Hear it properly. Okay. So, warm up for cardio kickboxing. Ready? And move your hands. Same for the side. This is warm up for a kickboxing, okay? Fine. Exercise land. Don't overstress. Just go through the process. Keep your legs firm. Fine. Jackknife. Let your hand. Very slowly. No jerky movement. Just a gentle muscle use. Fine. We'll start with our kickboxing session. The first, keep rope. Go, 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 go. In cardio kickboxing, your stamina is very important. To improve your cardio stamina, go for a skip rope. Don't do skip rope only on your toes. Use a complete fit. Don't stretch yourself. Fine. Listen between your legs. Big squat, gentle. Keep a bit attitude. And go for a front jab. Ready? Move it. First, go slow and rhythmic jab. And gradually improve your speed. sure your leg should be firm, your trunk should be firm. Just move your arm for your punches. That's it. And bit of shoulder twist. Keep breathing continuously. Fine, okay. Next, front kick. Make sure belly button in. Front leg, kick and back. Left, kick and back. Left, kick, back. Left, kick and back. Lift. Transferring of your weight is very important for both legs so that your posture will be firm. Don't loosen up with your kicks and punches. It's cardio kickboxing, not any aerobic dance form or Zumba. So attitude is very important. Watch it properly and do it properly. Fine. To the side. Same posture maintain. Transfer your weight. Fine. And guard. Fine. Right jab. Again, a bit distance in your leg, a bit short, and you have to punch sideways. Same procedure. Make sure for your rhythm first, your perfect posture first, and then bit speedy. Two, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Legs should be firm. Don't forget. Trunk should be firm as well. Fine. Kick. Lateral kick. Fine. Just shift your weight on one leg and kick to other side. Balance yourself properly. Again, don't overstretch and don't jerk. Smoothly. Please be careful while doing all the exercises. Transfer, centered, and kick. Fine. Lift, kick. Fine. Go for skip rope again. Move, 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 move. Front straight, leg firm, use complete fit. Fine. Next, go for a hook jab. Firm. Again, trunk straight, legs firm. Not exactly boxing, just make it as a exercise pattern. Firm, firm, firm. This is your big muscle. Fine. Next, short arc, round kick. Again, balance on single leg and round kick. Fine, to the side and straight. Use your abdomen. Fine. Upper and lower guard. Keep a comfortable distance between your legs. Fine. Go for round jab. Walk stance. Ready. Block it. And round jab. And round jab. Hook. Round jab. Hook. Round jab. Round jab. Fine. The side. Hook and fine. Now, the complete round kick. Please be sure don't overstretch yourself. Go slow. Go slow. No jerky movements at all. No jerky movements at all. Fine. To the side. Fine. Okay. Next. Down. With decline. And punch sideways. Fine. Next. Keep your palms down. Raise your trunk. And next straight, posture straight. Fine. Now, rapid punches. Front jab. Breathe in and breathe out. Ready for it? Flip it an end and go for rapid punches. Move. Fine. Breathe. Same for uppercut. Rapid punches again. Ready? Go for it. Front steady. Belly button in. Go for rapid punches. Move rapidly. Come on. Fine. One last step. That is floor kick. Ready? Floor kick. Jog, jog, jog. Fine. Okay. Then for cardio kickboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. Most important thing, this is a not actual boxing, fine. Just a fun part. It is for cardio exercises. That's it. Don't use it as a boxing, please. Fine. Okay, now relax breath. Remove your shoes if you are wearing. Just relax breath. Take a deep breath. Make yourself comfortable. Take your mat. Relax breath. First, make your breath normal. Let your heartbeats come down. Relax breath. We'll do some yoga postures. And that first for your height or overall growth, so-called. For yoga, just relax yourself, calm yourself. Okay? Ready, everybody? If you want, take a sip of water. If you want, take a sip or two, not more than that. Just a single sip or two. Fine. First asana to improve your height. Very famous yoga asana, very famous yoga posture. Tadasana. Now, what is the procedure to perform Tadasana? First, upper hands up. Just take your hands up. Only hands up. That's it. Relax, breathe. Take your own time. Take your own time. Relax, breathe. Gradually, stretch your upper body. Forget about your lower body, legs. Just stretch your upper body. With each and every breath, stretch it more. Focus on music and let your body go. Focus on music and let your body go. Stretch it. After the complete stretch of your upper body, on your toes, lift your heel up and now stretch it more and hold your posture. A total control over your posture. And relax gently. This is basic Tadasana. Now, each yoga posture you should hold from 5 to 10 to 30 seconds as per your limit. Clasp your hands. Make a distance between your legs, comfortable distance. Same procedure. Take your hands up. Stretch it with the clasped hand. Same upper body. Relax, breath. Let your body go. Now, on your toes and stretch it more up to the optimum limit of your body. And relax it down. Only toes, upper body should be stretched position only. And go for Triyak Tadasana. Just side bend. Fine. To the side. Fine. Okay. Relax, breath. Next asana, Trikonasana. Again, a comfortable distance or a big long distance between your legs. Your arms straight, palm facing towards floor. And as a unit, move, side bend. Leg should be firm, flat. And now rotate your neck towards your upper arm, upper palm. Fine. To the side. As a unit. एक हाथ नीचे एक हाथ ऊपर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. As a unit. Move as a unit. Controlled over your body. Rotate your neck towards your upper palm. Fine. And relax breath. Next, Vikonasana. Just a big change in Trikonasana. Go for Trikonasana first. Now, drop your hand. That's a Dvikonasana. Fine. Always release your posture slowly as you come into that posture. Just release the same way. Other side. Breathe. Trikonasana and drop your hand. Hands should be straight. Vikonasana. Fine. These all asanas are helpful to improve your height. Next, Anjaneya asana. Watch it carefully. Do it in steps. Step 1. Knees should be at 90 degrees. Back leg straight. Hold this posture, trunk straight, neck straight. And now, stretch your palm. Join it over your head. And stretch it more. Fine, and release slowly. And release your posture. Same for other side. 90 degree knee maintain. Go slow, go slow, go slow, go slow. Relax breath. Stretch your arm. Apply stretch continuously. Join your hands over your head. And release it. Fine. Keep breathing continuously. Don't hold your breath. Next asana, Bhujangasana. Lie down on your tummy. Up to elbow, your hand should be grounded. And lift your neck and upper body. Fine. Relax breath. This is step 1 for Bhujangasana. Step 2, just palm. Ready? And again. On your palms. Don't let your pelvis up. Kamar niche. And stretch it. Relax breath. Fine. Down. Next आसन, पश्चिमोत्तानासन. Trunk straight, knees straight, legs straight, and try to touch your toes. The parents, जो भी पेरेंट्स ये चीज कर रहे हैं, जिनको बैक पेन है या लोअर बैक पेन है, वो कर्व मत करिए. Just make arch and touch your toes, neck straight. And kids, to try to touch your knee from your head. Fine. These are few asanas to improve your height. Very few. There are a lot more. Fine. Now, for your overall growth, sir, please pause the music for some time. Fine. So, growth or concentration or focus. One hormone which is responsible for it, that is growth hormone, जो हमारे pituitary gland से निकलता है. ठीक है? I will just share a picture with you. Fine. Are you seeing it? That's the position of your pituitary gland. Exactly behind your third eye. Fine. Just keep in mind this position. Okay. So over here, so you have to focus here so that the gland will secrete that hormone for your growth and concentration. Okay. Don't squint your eyes, but just focus over your third eye, because pituitary gland is just behind it. Understood? Fine. So to improve your concentration and focus, first asana. So you can start music now, no issue. That is Padmasana and Dhyana Mudra. Again, don't force yourself. Go steady and slow. In Padmasana, that is lotus posture. Heel at groin. Fine. Knees grounded. Dhyana Mudra. Trunk should be straight. And just relax, breathe. And as I told you, focus on your third eye. Just focus. Don't squint with your eyes. Just focus and relax, breathe. Even if you do this asana and focus, that will definitely improve your concentration and growth as well. With eyes closed, just focus on your third eye. Relax, breathe. Try to sit as much time as possible. Fine. That's Padmasana. Next asana, to improve your concentration. Vrikshasana. These are all balancing posture. Don't try to attempt it in a single attempt. It will take a practice a bit. So, अगर नहीं आ रहा है, so don't worry. Just go through the process. Vrikshasana, heel touch the groin and join your hands up. Make a steady posture. Focus and concentrate front. Fine. When you achieve this posture for a longer period of time or for 15 to 20 seconds, then just try to close your eyes and do this posture. Next level. Fine? Okay. For other side. There are possibilities that from one leg your posture would be more steady and from other it would be bit shaky. But it's okay. Just try to hold it. Practice will make you perfect. Just hold your posture and breathe. Fine. Next asana, Veerbhadrasana 3. First watch it properly and then we'll do it. Veerbhadrasana 3. Join your hands. Go down from your pelvis. Parallel to ground. Lift your one leg. And hold this posture. Fine. Chalo. With me. Right leg stable. Left leg behind. Join your hands. Maintain your arch. And bow down from your trunk. Lift your leg. And hold this posture. Stretch it. Your chest, your pelvis should be facing towards the floor. Fine. Single line or parallel to the ground. To the side. Ready? Go. Fine. Okay. Next, Natarajasana. Same as Veerbhadrasana 3, just hold your ankle and go down. Fine. Do it. Go for Natarajasana. Fine. To the side. Fine. Okay. So, Padmasana, Vrikshasana, Veerbhadrasana 3, Natarajasana are few asanas to improve your concentration, fine, and balancing. Sir, do I have 5 to 6 minutes more?
Yes, sir. Do please.
Okay,
We have.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Fine. So, a very, very, very important part of yoga or your exercise or complete body exercise. Yeah, thank you, sir. Complete. That is 12 set Surya Namaskar. Sir, please pause that music. 12 set Surya Namaskar. If you practice 12 steps Surya Namaskar, then there is actually a complete body workout for you, including each and everything: growth, concentration, your height issue, whatever it may be. Surya Namaskar is a complete exercise. Fine. So I just teach you Surya Namaskar, 2 steps. Please, if you are not doing it, just try to understand what exactly posture of Surya Namaskar is. Fine. It is not compulsory that you should do it right now, but please concentrate and focus. Fine. And just remember a small tip which I am giving to you. Okay. So, 12 steps Surya Namaskar. Again, go very slowly. Allow your body to do it. Don't force your body. Step 1, Namaskar pose. This is not just a simple Namaskar pose. This is to improve your posture. In this pose, you have to firmly place your feet over the ground. Press your knees, squeeze your buttocks, belly button in, trunk should be straight, neck straight. Please notice all these small changes. I'm telling you again. Place your feet firm over the ground. Press your knees back so that your leg should be straight. Squeeze your buttocks, trunk should be straight, neck straight, and hold this posture. Fine. This is step 1. Now, step 2. For step 2, first, raise your hands up, reach up to your ears, and now bend it from your trunk. Fine. So ear and arm should be in one line always. Again, watch it. Step 1 and step 2. Ear and arm should always be in one line. I want to say कि हाथ यहाँ पे है and neck down है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. Ear and arm should be straight. Okay, that is step 2. Now, step 3, again, ear and arm in same line and come down. Your first in, try to touch your toes. Second, try your fingers should touch your toes. Third, side. Clear? That is step 3. Now, step 4. Step 4 for a right leg. Step 3, just put your hands down. That's step 4. Please notice my posture and try to maintain it or even better than this. Okay? Watch it again. Step 4, your palm and your foot should be in one line. Clear? Okay. Now, step 5. After step 4, go back and try to touch your heel at ground and complete bow position. Now, flat scoop posture. This is not in that 12 steps. Just a preparation for step 6. In this posture, you have to steady your trunk, belly button in, squeeze your buttocks, and go for a push-up position. That is step 6. This is for strengthening. Don't touch your body to the ground, just palm and your toes. Understood? Again, watch it. 5, flat scoop, and go for 6. If complete push-ups are not possible, then go for halfway, whatever in your range. No issues. If half range is also not possible, let your knees down and go for push-up. Fine. This is your step 6. Now, after step 6, that is step 7. Flags press. Again, go for step 8. Same as step 5, which I already explained to you. Step 9. Now, right leg again between your hands. Try to pull it between your hands, palms. Step 10, 11, and 12. Clear? We'll show you one more time with the left leg. This is right leg, one cycle. Fine, now left leg. Then it will be a complete cycle. Ready? Watch it. One more time. 1. Steady posture. 2. Arms with your ear. 3. Try to touch your toes. 4. Left leg in between your palm. Neck straight. 5. Hips should be grounded. Flat scoop. Go for 6. 7. 8. 9. Left leg. 10. 11. And 12. Fine. Step 1 and 12 is similar. Okay. Fine, sir. Done with my session.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Toshniwal. It was such a wonderful session, and it is all wonderful watching young kids so enthusiastic and following your steps step by step. I can see the screen full on my laptop. All the people have joined, even some of the parents are here, joined for, and following your instructions. And it was very well organized session with the cardio warm up and then going for age appropriate and very specific yoga asanas, and which was a complete package. Dear kids, if we follow Dr. Toshniwal with these asanas and this warm up exercise only for rest of your life, I'm sure you will be able to live a very healthy, stress free life. This will not only improve your height, improve your posture, improve your concentration, but increase in your strength. And that was the very wonderful part. Thank you, Dr. Toshniwal, for choosing such age appropriate and very specific asanas. And it was all your expertise only, how you deal with the kids, how you deal with the people, with your whatever you have done with the. And thank you on behalf of all the kids, Jatki's family, for giving your time with such a wonderful thing. We usually say that when we give somebody our time, we should be thankful. But then our gratitude goes to you because you have added, angle of health to it. So you have given not only time but a healthy time, and then these kids will be taking up this from here onwards, and our teachers were also here who were watching you. Our yoga teacher, our sports teacher PTI was also there watching you, taking tips from you, and from here on they will be continuing these exercises with these kids, and this will be very helpful for them.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
And Dr. Saab, and I'm sure that this will not be only session. We shall be troubling you even more in further sessions.
Definitely, I'm waiting for that, sir.
Definitely, and thank you for your this gesture. Thank you for your cooperation. It was very short notice, but then you had a very, agreed to it, and thank you for your concern for the kids, for the school.
Thank you very much, sir. And even thank you, J-Kid, for giving me that chance.
Here, I would like to mention names of Mr. Brij Sharma, who is a technical hand. He's from Life Educare and joined from Raipur. He was with us since last night, and from 8:15 onwards, he was arranging the music and everything technically. We also thank Mr. Azhar, who is another technical hand from Jet Kids. I thank you, all the kids, all the parents who have taken up their time, all the teachers who are there who have taken the cues from this particular session, and I am very much confident and hopeful, and I trust that you will be continuing this. Okay, starting a thing is an easy task. Once you have decided to start, the day one is very easy. But the more tough and more rewarding will be if you continue this for whole of your life, not only in the school time, not only in your time when you are studying. Continue this for whole of your life. And Dr. Saab has been benevolent enough to give us a complete package. If this for 50 minutes of workout you do it for whole of your life, none of the you will be away from all the ailments related to bones and muscles. And above all, the cream of the cake is that it will improve your concentration, it will improve your mental health, which is very important for your social effectiveness in the society and your productivity for the nation. I thank you once again, Dr. Toshniwal, for your precious and I will say very healthy and precious time, because you have given a wonderful session, and I'm sure that all the parents and students and teachers have benefited from this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
also thank Ma'am Dr. Asmita. It was an initiative of Dr. Asmita only that we should go for such a package, and it was a wonderful session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.